Nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today guys, something vegetarian, easy and tastes so nice. We're going to cook pasta and courgette, pasta and zucchina. The Piero's pasta and zucchina is absolutely delicious and 10 minutes is ready. We need a few ingredients. Well, I have some pasta. Pasta you can put any pasta you like. Some butter, garlic and one courgette. And I'm gonna add some salt, garlic powder, paprika, sweet paprika, a little touch of the soy sauce and a little touch of black pepper. The water is already on. I want to show you how I cut the courgette because I don't want to be long. Easy. Always guys, if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. And now the courgette. This is one I wanna do just one plate. Cut like that and dice it like this. You know? Something like that. Very easy, okay? When you cut all your courgette, I show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, courgette is ready, easy. The pasta in, okay? With the pasta we're gonna take very al dente. Now we prepare this sauce with the courgette. Oil, a nice generous, maybe 3 tablespoons, okay? We put this garlic in. We wait 20 seconds and we're gonna add some the courgette, very easy. Courgette in. This is very quickly what we're gonna do now. I want to show you the whole process. You see? Now, straight away we add some salt, how much you like, black pepper, a little touch, garlic powder as well. Little. The paprika, like that. We try to mix everything now. Oh, look at that. Already the smell is amazing. Now, a teaspoon of soy sauce. This is almost done. In this case, now we take 3 pieces like that of butter and put inside. And now guys, when the butter is inside, just turn it off and leave the butter to melt inside. And when the pasta is ready, we put inside there. I'll show you the pasta guys. This is very important, al dente, okay? Very al dente, because we finish a couple minutes in the sauce. See you soon when the pasta is ready. Job is almost done. Okay guys, the pasta is al dente, like I like. Gas is on. If you like the garlic, leave in. If you don't like, take it out, okay? I take it out because I don't like a lot like that. Now, the pasta, we put in the courgette. Fantastic. And now we just, you know, I don't want to splash everywhere because my partner, she's a little bit nervous about that. And I have to be careful, okay? Okay, now we add some water because, you know, 1 and 2. That's it. We cook like 30 seconds, you know? Start with this little sauce, yeah. And now, guys, the butter we had before, 3 pieces like that. Put in 30 seconds like that and turn it off and mix everything. Leave the butter melt inside and the job is done guys. This is absolutely delicious. You don't believe the smell comes from just this courgette here. It's done guys. It's this. You see? Oh, beautiful. This sauce, absolutely. Enrico, my son, he love it. Now I'm gonna try. It's perfettissimo. very very nice. I love it. Exactly to do this, the time the cooking the pasta, and that's it. Guys, pasta and courgette, pasta and zucchina, Pieros, I do like that. It's absolutely delicious as it is. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!